We're joined by Elliott Norris, and we're gonna start off by pulling someone sexy closer to our bodies. Let's walk to the front now. Disco finger, out, out, down, up. Good job. Woo! Those hips are dangerous, Elliott.
You know why?
Sexy hip swing now. Hop to the side. Let's go. Hop now. Up. 3, 2, 1. Scoop it out here. Scoop.
I wanna fall in love for the weekend. 3 boyfriends, I don't know where
I'm scooping up a birthday cake remix from Cold Stone. Speed this up.
He know I'm a classy nympho. Keep it simple, you know what you here for. Could I cuss it, yeah, let you up with the key code.
Hey,
ice
right,
but he better
let's
catch a
go.
heat stroke. You got everything that I like. You don't eat the booty, you
Jump
lying.
out
You
now.
mix the liquors, you might pull me tight.
Pull him closer. Disco.
It's the freaking me, I wanna show you.
Who you pulling closer?
It's so good, don't want it to
I'm pulling a space heater closer, cause it's freezing on this mountain.
Come closer.
Sexy hip swing, go. 3, 2, 1, hop. Scoop it out last time. Elliott, you're crushing this. I'm so proud of you. Speed this up for Saweetie.
I ain't never met him, he don't even know my birth name. I can know my pics, so I know he like I'm curvy. Crush on the it boy when I'm in the worst way.
Skate to the right, let's go right now.
I sing one, ooh la la. Take them 8-inch out them draws.
Do that turn around, go out.
Hold me closer,
Woo,
ooh, so
yes.
closer.
Disco.
It's the freaking me, I wanna show you. Let me show you, baby. It feels so good, don't want it to be over. Now baby, I know that you like it, come closer. It's the freaking me, I want
Swing.
you.
Switch to the side, let's go now.
Everything you do, I'd do anything for you. I love everything you do.
Cross, turn around, let's go. Out, cross, turn, point. Thanks so much for getting closer with us. If you want to get closer with Elliott, follow him on social media, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the places floating right below him. If you want to get anything you see here, like this amazing active booty, you can get that on activebooty.com. Watch the official video right here and click here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week, and I'll never be able to say sweat session. Sweat sessions.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.